रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Good morning to each and everyone present over here.
Respected sisters, honorable teachers, and all my dear Marians.
Today, I, Ariba Khan,
And I, Sanya Khan, are present over here as your anchors today. So there is no need to mention why today is important or for what purpose we all have gathered over here.
to say in brief, it's the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a great humble man from Porbandar, Gujarat, whose tremendous determination and courage have all merged into him to form a great leader, whose guidance, even after so many years, is still so topical.
Gandhiji has walked the great path of his life alone, where his strong decisions about himself and his country have depended mostly on him. So without us wasting any more time, let us begin our program. So here, I humbly invite Honorable Sister Suman for flag hoisting ceremony, and I request our office bearers to accompany Sister for the ceremony. Music is the universal language of mankind. It adds melody in the environment. So here I would like to call upon the students to present Gandhiji's favorite song, Raghupati song. Reba, what's next?
Sania, how can we forget the precious teachings of Gandhiji on this special occasion?
Yes, you're right, Ariba. So here I would like to call upon the students of class 11th and 12th to attain us with knowledge.
अहिंसा का पुजारी, सत्य की राह दिखाने वाला, ईमान का पाठ पढ़ा गया हमें वो बाबू लाठी वाला. I wish a cheerful morning to Reverend Vice Principal Sister Suman, respected teachers and my dear Marians. We all have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. So let's dive in the prospect of Gandhi's teaching. Gandhiji had always expressed his concern against injustice women. Throughout his life, Gandhiji waged a crusade for the enhancement of the status of women in India. In a general, young India, Gandhiji's words were, "To call the women weaker sex is a libel. It is men's injustice to women. If by strength is meant brutal strength, then indeed women is less powerful than men. Women is less brute than men. If by strength is meant moral strength, then women is immeasurably powerful than men, and is men superior. Has she not greater intuition? Has she not more self-sacrificing? Has she not more courage? Without her, men could not be. If non-violence is the law of our being, the future is with women. Who can make a more effective appeal to the heart than women? हरिजन में गांधी जी ने देश की शिक्षा पर अपने दृष्टिकोण व्यक्त करते हुए ये स्पष्ट कहा था, स्त्री इतनी सशक्त हो जाए कि अपने पति को भी ना कहने में संकोच ना करे. उनका कहना था कि महिलाओं को अपने अधिकारों और कर्तव्यों का ज्ञान होना चाहिए. धन्यवाद.
Presenting Gandhi's ideology on self-reliance. People, in an attempt to be with people, require more people and forget their own selves. In this world, where every other person is tech-savvy, we rely on these mobile robots for every information we are required to have. Now, this dependence on social groups make people get blindsided for what is in them. Let's cherish solitude. Take trains by yourself to places you have never been. Sleep under the stars all alone and learn how to drive a car. Go so far that you are not being afraid of not coming back. Say yes if your instincts are strong. Say no if you don't want to do something. Decide whether fitting in is more important than finding out why are you here. Decide whether you want to be liked or you want to be admired. And achieve all this through self-reliance. The idea that one can rely on his or her own judgment, choices, and be free from these societal influences is to be self-reliant. As father of the nation delegated, self-reliance is the best defense against the pressures of the moment. In that way, nobody can hurt me without my permission. Thank you.
Presenting Gandhiji's words about honesty and truth in Gujarati. Guru Karna Prasarane. Karane bula સત્ય બની શકતી નથી અને સત્ય બને શકતું નથી. કારણે કે કોઈ તેને જેતુમ નથી. સત્ય ઉભુમ રહે છે. સત્ય ઉભુમ રહે છે. ભલે ને કોઈ જેરા સમર્થન ના હોય, ભલે ને કોઈ જેરા સમર્થન ના હોય, તે સ્વનિર્ભર છે. તે સ્વનિર્ભર છે. Our error does not become truth by reason of multiplied propagation, nor does the truth become error because nobody sees it. Truth stands even if there is no public support. It is self-sustained. Gandhiji proposed the importance of truth and honesty during his entire lifetime. In primary school, once during a school inspection, Gandhiji spelled the word kettle wrong. His teacher urged him to copy from others and correct the spelling, but he refused to do so, as he was convinced that it was not the right thing to do. Honesty and truthfulness were the qualities that he embodied during his entire lifetime. In this modern world, we strive to make our children more excel in academics, sports, and other ways of life. But we must also pay great attention to building up these character building attributes, as these are considered unimportant and old fashioned by some. But these are really important. Thank you.
Now let us move towards one more teaching of Gandhi ji, that is simplicity. इस सादगी पे कौन ना मर जाए खुदा, इस सादगी पे कौन ना मर जाए खुदा, लड़ते हैं और हाथ में तलवार भी नहीं. Gandhi ji, one of the greatest leaders India has ever produced. Gandhi ji believed in possessing a little, except the clothes he wore and some utensils for eating and cooking. When Gandhi died, he had less than 10 possessions, including a watch, spectacles, sandals, and an eating bowl. He was a man of non-possession and didn't even possess a house. But in today's world, it may not be possible for us to get down less than 10 possessions like Gandhi did. A journalist once asked Gandhi, "Mr. Gandhi, did you feel underdressed when you met the king?" Gandhi replied, "The king was wearing enough clothes for both of us. So we should start living a simpler life from today, and we will release a lot of energy and time. This will give us the space to create the life we really want to live, the life that is inspired and inspiring." At last, but not the least, I would like to say that दुनिया भी पेश आई बहुत बेरुखी के साथ, दुनिया भी पेश आई बहुत बेरुखी के साथ, हमने भी जख्म खाए बड़ी सादगी के साथ, हमने भी जख्म खाए बड़ी सादगी के साथ. थैंक यू.
Presenting Gandhiji's ideology on communal harmony and mutual respect in Sanskrit. Ekyam balam samajasya tadbhave sa durbala tasmat ekyam prashasanti dradam rashtra hiteshana. Unity is the strength of society, and without it, the society is weak. Hence, those who wish the good of the nation will encourage unity. Mahatma Gandhi was a great proponent of communal harmony and mutual respect. He firmly believed that all religions teach men to be good and that intolerance is the religion of the negative. Gandhiji saw an inviolable harmony existing in all religions, and that it was this principle that led him to accord all faiths peacefully. He stressed upon universal peace, brotherhood, and reverence for life. The teachings of Gandhiji are still relevant in today's world, vexed with intolerance and extremism, and still remind us of the true value of harmonious coexistence and mutual respect. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian nation, continues to this day to be revered all over the world as a beacon of peace and apostle of non-violence. In a world increasingly vexed with intolerance and extremism, the life and message of this great man remains an inspiring example of the power and truth and universal brotherhood. Thank you.
To conclude, I would like to say that if Gandhi was today, we would have been more united, more strong, and more honest. His teachings and principles are most needed today. The final chapter focuses on how we may move forward to get closer to Gandhi's vision for the nation and this world. While the Mahatma's principle remains constant, his practices are contextual. You must be the change you wish to see in this world. Thank you. Wow, it was really uplifting. Now you will witness another elegant performance. Dance brings us to a more elemental state of mind. So here, I would like to call upon Vanshika and Kavisha from class 8 for duet dance. Please welcome them with a huge round of
लाठी पकड़ी चलते थे वो शान से, साजिद का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो पर था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान रे। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे
Wow, that was indeed a lovely performance. Poetry of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tune and divine music.
Everyone is eager to sing into the depth of music. So here I would like to call upon our melodious singers to commemorate the ideals of Gandhiji.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद
जन तो सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे, सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे, निंदा न करे के नीरे, काज काज मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी तेरी रे, वैष्णव जन तो मेरे कहिए जे, पीर पराई जाने रे, वैष्णव जन तो
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, जिस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, जिस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ये है अपना राष्ट्रगाना, नाद से तलवारों पे, इसने सारा जीवन काटा बरछी तीर कटारों पे। ये प्रताप का वतन पला है आजादी के धारों पे, टूट पड़ी थी यहाँ हजारों पद्मिनियां अंगारों पे। बोल रही है तन तन से कुर्बानी राजस्थान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
हम तेरा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, कर चले हम तेरा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नस जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय को हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, कर चले हम तेरा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, कर चले हम तेरा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है, अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की ही बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको,
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर।
बसती बसती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
जागी रे, जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे। दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है,
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है।
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी
ओ
रे।
स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
सूरज को स्नान कराना है, धरती को भी नहलाना है। जो मन से निकले उमड़ घुमड़, उस नदी को आज बहाना है। स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे,
जागी रे, जागी रे, स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, जागी रे, जोत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी जोत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की जोत जागी रे, दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है, अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की ही बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर,
बसती बसती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
जागी रे, जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे, ज्योत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे। दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा,
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे, ज्योत जागी रे।
ओ स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे।